Hi guys, my name is Kwasa Genesis, and today we are here around the street. We are trying to learn some tricks, and as you know, I'm on a journey of changing my community using skateboarding as a tool, and we don't have enough, but whatever we have we try to share. And today last time we gave away a skateboard to one of our friends, and it wasn't a new skateboard, just a normal skateboard. And today we will also be giving out shoes to him so we can get him up in the game and see how far he can go, because skateboarding is no longer just a sport, but it can change your life and it can take you very far. And thank you our sponsors who are trying to get some stuff for us and who have already got us some stuff. So today we have given him shoes, though they look kinda old, but they are, this is what we can afford right now, and let's see how he feels.
Hello guys, my name is Simon and I've received the shoes from these guys. So thank guys for supporting us. We need more support. Thank you guys.
Alright, thank you.